Good morning, guys. So this morning I'm coming to revive my my hair. I've had this braid for some time and I think it's really getting bad. So I'm going to revive this braid. You know, look at it. So I'm going to try to revive it because we are still in quarantine and going out to rebraid is totally impossible. And because I shoot for YouTube, I want to always come out presentable as much as possible. So this morning I'm just going to revive my braids. So yeah, let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you how I revive my braids, okay? So yeah, I've been using Canvas beauty products to revive my hair for hair growth. I'm trying to grow my natural hair, so I've been using Canvas beauty products. So I'll be using these two products as my shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to wash the hair and get it refreshed as much as possible. All right, so let's get right into the video. I'm done washing my hair. Okay, I'm done washing my hair. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use some few products I have here to revive the hair. So I'll be using the Eco Styling Gel. I'll also be using the Got to Be glue, and then I'll also be using my mousse. Okay, so use the canvas oil. So use the canvas oil. Okay. All right. So let's see how the hair is looking now. Because with all the dandruffs and the hair, it was really looking very, very nasty. So I'll be using my blow dryer to dry the hair for some time. Then I will apply the products to the hair.
Nose masks, Mommy.
Nose
masks.
Nose mask?
Yeah.
I don't know where. right, guys, so this is it. So because of the quarantine, if you are home and you feel like your braids are getting bad, just go under the shower, wash it with any conditioner and shampoo, and just throw in a little of oil. Any oil you have, just put it in, put styling gel, to revive the braids. This is what I did, and this is my result. And I really, really love it so much. It's smelling really, really good. I have a spray. I sprayed it in, and it's smelling really, really good. So this is it. So I washed all the dandruff out, and it's looking very refreshed. It's looking very new. Yeah. So get off the bed, get another shower, and restore those braids, because we ain't going to the salon any moment from now. So it's about time you get creative with your own braids. So overall, I really, really love how I was able to. So guys, this is it. Okay, so get off your bed, get off that bed. Okay, get off that bed, wash your hair and revive those braids, because we are not going to the salon any moment from now. So if you don't know how to know, you see, do you love my makeup? I'm really, really trying to learn how to make up as a professional, okay? So yeah, I'm trying. I hope you like the makeup. All right, so just get off the bed, get off the bed, get under the shower, wash your hair, put some nice hairspray in, makeup, take those selfies for Snapchat, for TikTok, for Instagram, for Facebook. Girl, get off that bed right now. Get off that bed. You saw me get off my bed. Yes, it is time for you to get off that bed, get off that depression, get off anything that is bothering your chest, and just get up and refresh that hair. Get up and look your best, okay? Because this quarantine, we all don't know how long it's going to last, okay? So you have to get off that bed and look your best, okay? Look your best. Don't be depressed. Don't be, you are your own form of happiness. You are your own form of happiness. So anything that makes you happy, get up and do it. This morning, I woke up and I was like, should I take this braids off? If I take it off, I have a natural hair, and it's so difficult to keep a natural hair. Besides, I shoot videos every week. So if I take this hair off, I have to either put on a wig or, I wasn't ready for that stress, okay? I was just not ready for that stress. So that's why I decided to revive this braids, and I'm really loving how it's looking now, I'm really, really loving it right now. So if you have braids and you are thinking of going to the salon, please, they are closed, okay? So get out of the shower. Any conditioner, any shampoo, it works. Get off the bed, get under the shower, wash that hair, revive it with any oil, anything you have. Even if you don't have the got-to-be glue, if you have a mousse, it works. Even if you don't have the mousse, if you have a styling gel, just use it on the edges and just keep it, and then just spray it. If you have any oil, hair oil, coconut oil, just use it, to revive the braids, because after you wash it, the braids can become a little dry. So I just use the IC oil to revive the braid, to make it more shiny, So get up from that bed. Get up from that bed and revive your hair, okay? And voila, that is me, okay? I got off my bed and I am looking fly. Okay? All right, so let's take some photo shoots, okay? Let's take some photo shoot.